Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on this arrow here, go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you can change camera resolution. So basically you have only two different resolutions. You have this very high 50 megapixels resolution, or just normal something less than 50 megapixels resolution. So yeah, so you have just normal resolution or 50 megapixels. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.